Are you passionate about remote job? Do you find it difficult landing a techie role due to inexperience? Then this is for you. This is a step-by-step guide on how you can apply and land a job in 2 weeks as a software tester. With this, you can earn up to minimum 400 USD in a month and 4 USD per bug fix. Either you are a freshers or you have zero experience about technology, you can still be considered for this.
The fact that I'm referring you as a member of the team already, it simply means that I'm recommending you for the position. Now, there are a few things you need to know about this role, which include that you are being paid based on the bug you test. And I'm going to walk you through how the bug are being tested and what are the things you will come through before we start the step-by-step process of applying for the job itself. So the first thing you need to consider is that you'll be paid based on each bug that you detect in the website. Okay, and then there's something so fascinating about this opportunity, which is that the receiving the payout day it on every 13th of every month, and you can receive as maximum amount as possible. So in order for you to get exposed more to it, I'll go to the dashboard in order to walk you through everything. As you can see, there are six mandatory program that you'll be expected to enroll for the moment you join you on board after you have been selected. This is mandatory program and it's free. You'll be given a badge after you learn it. So you can learn all this program within maximum of 2 weeks. That is if you don't have any experience in technology because this position does not require an experience. So there are six modules that will teach you how to onboard and then how to like detect a bug, how to submit a task that is given to you. All of that you'll be trained within this maximum of 2 weeks. And if you're a fast learner, you can learn this in minimum or maximum of 2 days or 3 days, depending on how fast you are. And the moment you get up to six module, then you can start the reproduction of bugs. You can start getting a tax and being paid based on the tax that you are given. So this is a very great opportunity for you because you don't need any experience. And one thing I want to tell you is that as the freshers, stop applying for job as the freshers. Start with adding to your CV that you have an experience. So when you're doing this particular job, you can add it to your CV that you have an experience. So one of the things that you need to understand is that every organization wants someone that have little or no experience. So in order for you to understand how this works, how the testing, debugging work. I'm just going to go to Amazon website. I'm sure all of you know about shopping online. So if you go to the website, if you observe, okay, what I'm gonna do is just I will just scroll down at the lower part of the page in order to demonstrate what debugging or software testing is. So we have different products as you can see, right? So if we assume that one of the products is where they is showing the name of the product is something related to home something like that, okay, stores and home, but we find something related to shoe there, it means there is a bug in the image. So there is an issue with the image of the website. So we need to report this. For example, instead of having a pot, we have a cloth. And the title says it is pot. So that is a bug. So another example that I'm going to show you is these are the things that you come across. Let's say you click on the sign in page, and the sign in page normal, the sign in page is supposed to take you to the sign in page. But if the sign in page did not function, it means it is a bug also. You need to report that the button is not working. So let's say the user also enter their details, and then after entering their details, the user click on that particular button and the button does not function, like nothing happened, that is also a bug. So bugs, fixing a bug, this particular software tester job, it's something that you do day-to-day activities. Don't forget, it's important that you need to enroll for this six module. Without completing this six module, you won't be given any tax. You cannot get a tax. So it's very, very important. These are the products. So I'm just going to show you about the ranking system. So as you can see, presently there are more than 200 and something thousand people, and you'll be given a badge. That is something fascinating about this. You'll be given a badge and a certificate upon completion of, and you can see your progress of the tasks you've done. You can see the level you are, who you have met, who is over what you've done. All of this you can get to see them while you're working on the tax. Okay. So another thing I want to show you is the payment part. As you can see, one more item is added. So you'll be paid based on the bug that you detect. and every payment is made out on 13th of every month. Between 11 and 13th, that is the payout period of time. So on your billing dashboard, you'll be able to see the amount that you've earned based on the tax, depending on how dedicated you are to the particular job, particular tax. If you can spend a lot of time on it, you will earn much more in a very short period of time. But if you are the type that have other things you are doing, you can also consider this as a part time. Now let's start the onboarding process. You go to the website, you can check the link in the description. You click on become a tester. After you click on become a tester, make sure you check the link in the description for how you can apply the link to apply directly for it. After you click on becoming a tester, it will take you to another page, and this is where you're going to sign up and fill all your details. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on that, and then it will take you here, become a tester. And then after clicking on becoming a tester, you can sign up with any of your profile. I'm going to use Google here just to set an example for you. And then you click on your mail and you click on the continue button in order to proceed further. And then after you've successfully enrolled and complete, you just fill your basic details that is required. And then after filling the basic detail, you submit your application. So it is necessary that you should consider clicking on the link in the description button, because that will be a referral in case you do not have an experience beforehand. But if you have experience, you can proceed directly to the website. Okay. But if you do not have an experience and you want it to be considered as a referral, then I would suggest that you use the link in the video description so that you can be considered as a referral. All of these are minor things you can just do yourself. You click on the proceed button until you finally submit your application, and after filling the basic details. So you'll be landed to this page, and in this you need to complete the sys model. So this is how to apply for it. And now for you to successfully onboard, I made another video. You can check the description or you can check the playlist for a step-by-step guide on how you can get a training, how you can get paid, how you will be assigned tax, and every other thing. So you can check the video in order to know more and more about all of this process. It will guide you through about the onboarding, because the onboarding part is something before you can start getting tax. There are two things you need to know. The first thing is that you need to be able to click on your setting and go to your personal and make some configuration. And then the second stage is that you need to complete up to 6 module from the training, then you will get taxed. So all of these are explained well in the second video on step by step on onboarding process. So you just check the above video and click on it in order to proceed further to the step by step after you are successfully enrolled for the program. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with people that